Hi everyone, it's time for the next question. In this question, let's read it out. So, Gary drove from London to Sheffield. It took him 3 hours at an average speed of 80 kilometers per hour. So, just by reading that sentence, what the question is telling me is the 3 hours represents a time, and obviously 80 kilometers an hour is an average speed. So I'm going to stop there. I'm not going to carry on reading the question any further before I work out the distance. So just as a reminder, the triangle for distance, speed, time is like this: distance on the top, speed and time at the bottom. And you cover the one you want to work out. So I want to work out the distance, so I cover it, and then because it's on the same level, you multiply speed and time. So let me write that down. Let's change the color a bit. So distance is speed multiplied by time. Okay, I have to check if the units are the same. So speed is 80 kilometers per hour and the time is in hours, so I can multiply them. 80 times 3, and that's going to be 240 kilometers. The reason it's kilometers because the speed is in kilometers per hour. Okay, so we know that Gary drove 240 kilometers. Okay, now, and that's from London to Sheffield. So Lynn drove from London to Sheffield as well. She took 5 hours. Assuming that Lynn drove along the same roads as Gary, so this assumption means that the distance is the same. Let's write Gary over here. So Gary, then we'll go to Lynn. Okay, just one end, sorry. Okay, and did not take a break. Work out her average speed. Again, to work out the speed this time, I'm gonna cover S, and that's distance divided by time. So let's go on. Speed is distance divided by time. The distance is the same as Gary's, which is 240 kilometers. But the time taken is 5 hours from here. So I divide 240 by 5, and that would be 48 kilometers per hour. Okay, again, I got 48 by doing a division. So to bus stop, 240 divided by 5. 5 goes into 24 4 times, remainder 4, and 5 goes into 48 times, so that's 48 kilometers an hour. So it says work out Lynn's average speed, well, that is 48 kilometers per hour. Okay, now the next part says if Lynn did not drive along the same road, wait, let's just use this. If Lynn did not drive along the same roads as Gary, explain how this could affect your answer to part A. Well, if Lynn did not drive on the same roads as Gary, then Lynn's distance could be different. Which would mean her speed will also change. Okay, so what this means is, if the distance would be greater than 240 kilometers, then her speed, if it took her 5 hours, her speed would increase, isn't it? Or the time taken would also change. So the speed eventually would change. It could either increase or decrease depending on the distance and the time. And that's how we answer this particular question. And hopefully I'll upload some more videos on questions like this. Thanks for watching.